Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So as per the problem, Cathy chooses a camel to ride on a carousel. The camel is located 9 meters from the center of the carousel. If the carousel turns through an angle of 5 pi over 6, determine the length of the arc traveled by the camel. So the first step here is to draw a diagram for this problem. So Cathy is going around on a carousel. So carousel, as you know, goes around in circles. And in this case, the carousel turns through an angle of 5 pi over 6. Now 5 pi over 6 is just less than pi, which is equivalent to 180 degrees. So we can show that like this. So looks something like this. And then this is the arc made by this carousel. So this arc is basically curved part of this sector of a circle. So it's part of a circle. And the radius of this circle is 9 meters. Now we have to find the length of the arc, which is this arc here. And let's assume the length of this arc is represented by A. So I'll just make the values a bit bigger. So this is the radius of the circle around which the carousel goes, and the central angle is 5 pi over 6. Now for this problem we have to use a formula, and the formula is theta equals A over R. In this formula, theta represents the central angle in radians, A is the arc length, and R is the radius of the circle. Now we have to keep in mind that the theta should always be in radians in this formula. If theta is given in degrees, then we have to convert the degree angle to radian angle to use this formula. So now we can sub in the values. So the central angle here is 5 pi over 6, which is already in radians. And we have to calculate the arc length, and the given radius is 9. Now in order to solve for A, we'll have to cross multiply the 9. So we get 5 pi over 6 times 9 equals A. Now we can multiply these terms. Now the denominator of 9 is 1. So if we have to multiply these fractions, we multiply the top terms and we multiply the bottom numbers. So we multiply 5 and 9. 5 times 9 is 45. So 45 pi over 6 equals A. So we can also rewrite this as A equals 45 pi over 6. So this is the length of the arc made by the carousel as it goes around an angle of 5 pi over 6. Now the unit of this value is meters. So this is the exact value of the arc length. Now if we have to calculate the rounded value, we'll have to evaluate this expression in the calculator. So it's 45 times pi divided by 6, and for which I got the rounded value as 23.56. So I'm rounding the answer to 2 decimal places. So this is the arc length rounded to 2 decimal places. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.